Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I am coming to do a He-Man Masters of the Universe makeup tutorial. And today I will be giving, while I do the makeup tutorial, I will give you some information on the original character. Y'all know I do mostly based off of the original characters. So far I already have done my foundation, my primer, and my contour. So all we have to put on now is none other than eyeshadow base. And then, so we're going to put this on. You don't need much. Let me just play that. But what kind of look I'm doing, yeah, well, you might have to do that and think. So, like I said, I'm doing Buzz Off, and he is from He-Man Masters of the Universe. And we're going to be using this particular palette right here. And this is a cruelty-free palette. And it is called Ucanbe Splash Candy Palette. And the colors I am using is these yellows right here. Yellows and browns. And so let me give you a little insight on Buzz Off. So before I start on the colors, let me put my setting powder right quick, and we're just going to set very lightly under the eye and then. But while I am doing this Buzz Off, we get to know in He-Man Masters of the Universe. He is a very unique character. He is a bee. He's sort of like kind of half man, half bee, but they call themselves the bee people, and they stock up on the honey and everything, the food for Eternia, there we go, Eternia, and thing, and down the bridge of my nose. All right, so we're done with that. But yeah, so we're gonna do him, and the first color we're going in with is this brown right here, this brown. And we're going to take this brush right here. And like I'm saying, his colors are so simple. And things, so yeah. With the he helps He-Man them. It's, I can't think, we're gonna take this brush just to blend it out. Then with two brushes we're blending out with. So before I complete, it's almost just too simple to do. So before I get to the we're gonna take one of the shimmers of one of these. We're gonna do a yellow and a shimmer, and we're might. And we're gonna use our highlight and stuff. So the first thing is I'm going to layer in this yellow right here, if you can see it on there. And we're just going to put it in like that. And that's the first, it's a pretty good yellow. It's like very bright. It's a very bright yellow, but that's what I want to use. And like I said, with Buzz Off, he's a character that you see him in some more of the episodes, but you have to I'm gonna layer it up a little more, one more layer. And there we go. All right, we're gonna do the other side. And he comes in handy. He's one of the good guys. He's aligned with He-Man and the royal family. All right. Okay, we're gonna blend it out for the second time and we're through. Actually, I do like it. So, yeah. So the next color is, we're just gonna bring a little bit of a shine to it. And so what we're going to do, we already used this color in this color. So let me show you the two colors we already used. We used this brown and we used this color. So I think we're gonna go for this shimmery color right here. So actually we're gonna go to the bottom one because it's a little bit more better for me to do. It's like a yellowish orange, but we're just gonna do it like middle. And we're just gonna halfway and going out. But yeah, he comes in handy when you're because I got the He-Man on DVD. Like I said, I have He-Man and She-Ra on DVD. That is what is the difference between these shows nowadays and what you see now. We're gonna very, very lightly blend. Turned out pretty okay. So what we're going to do next, okay, because we are actually, we're going to, so that is the palette. And we're going to finish up the face. So the first thing we're going to do to finish up the face is we're going to take out, let's see. So first we're going to take this brush and use my Queen Collection in medium D to just add some powder. Alright. So what we're going to do is do the highlight and do the lips and we'll be through. And that's going to simple products. So as you see, I don't have a brow bone, so we're going to start with that. So if you remember, I said we're also going to use this. We're going to use this right here, and we're going to use the same highlight. So what we use on our brow bone is the same as the highlight. So we're going to go for, because it's buds off, we're going to use bronze. We're going to use this color right here and thing. So yeah, good amount. And we're going to all right. We want to take this and we're just going to do this. That is the brow bone. I mean, it looks pretty good. Then we're going to take this before we start the gel. There we go. So I'll wait for a bit for that. So while I wait for that, we're going to take this and we're going to take we're going to go very light with our bronze. We're just going to go very light. And we're just going to go here. Gonna take this and we're just gonna y'all see that? And we're just gonna take a little bit and just put on the and that's just a little bit on the nose. That's it. There we go. And the last thing is to finish it off with is the lips. And I'm going to be using mink, and that's my favorite color to use. And And that's it. The Buzz Off look don't deserve no blush, but yeah. So yeah, that is it. That is it for my Buzz Off. But before I do, let me finish the brows up right quick. And we're going to clean off. But yeah, so yeah, this is the look for none other, oh my god, He-Man Masters of the Universe, Buzz Off, the character Buzz Off. I think the look turned out pretty well. And if you like this look and you want to know more about the character Buzz Off of He-Man Masters of the Universe, I will give you a search. You can do a search on YouTube. I will give you some YouTube searches with what episodes you can actually find him on. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.